What's up, y'all? In the process of putting a new crank sensor on my Dakota. I've noticed it's kind of stumbling whenever it's at like between 18 to 2200 RPMs. It'll like cut out and everything. I think that's because I'm using just a cheap generic sensor. But I got an Amber and Delphi sensor to replace it, so hopefully that works. But I got some news. I had to give up on the 6-speed swap project because I had trouble finding a driveshaft shop that will actually either shorten my current driveshaft or build me a new one. So I just found another 5-speed to put back into it. So I'm canceling the 6-speed swap project. However, if I do have an opportunity to put a T56 in it, you bet your ass I'm gonna jump on it, because I think that'll be killer. I'll definitely be able to handle what I want to do with this engine. MV3500, yeah, technically isn't rated for too much more horsepower than what the 318 could provide, but you know, a lot of people use them on their built engines, and I believe as long as I don't do anything too crazy and drive it like, you know, roll into the throttle instead of just trying to spike the throttle, I think it'll be fine. Plus, since I'm considering putting a turbo on this engine, as long as I get like one that kind of lags a little bit, I think it'll be fine. Anyway, so that's the updates on this truck. I'm gonna switch off the sensor, then call it a day. So I'm sorry for y'all that were excited over the 6-speed swap, but you know, I'm trying to put a German transmission on the back of an American engine, so it is what it is. And honestly, another problem with the getrag is it's a little bit stronger than the MV3500 technically, but it's not that much stronger. I think the major improvement that the getrag would have would be a lower first gear, and I think a deeper overdrive. Which, yeah, I guess that could make it a little more useful if you're like towing or whatnot. But this is not a tow truck. And yeah, I want to make it to where, yeah, I probably could pull like a car trailer with it, but that's not the primary goal of this truck, so it is what it is. Anyway, thank you all for understanding, and don't forget to tip your waitress.